Here are the 5 best snowboard sock. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. WEIERYA Ski Socks 2 Pairs Pack. The WEIERYA Ski Socks 2 Pack is the best cheap option on the list. These aren't the highest performing socks out there in terms of superior warmth, but they will keep you cozy and come in at a very affordable price. You'll get 2 pairs of these socks for less than what 1 pair of the other options will set you back. They have a medium weight that offers good comfort and warmth. A cotton-based blend offers good moisture-wicking properties and keeps the socks very breathable. They also have synthetic fibers to help them dry out quickly. Number 2. Smartwool Performance Ski Medium Sock. The Smartwool Ph.D. Women's Medium is the best women-specific snowboard socks. These are the exact same as my number 1 pick on this list. They just come in a women-specific fit that female riders might prefer. A heavy merino wool design gives you lots of warmth while also being comfortable and provides moisture-wicking properties. This is also antimicrobial, so you won't have to worry about stinky socks. Indestructible technology utilizes synthetic materials to boost the strength and durability of the Ph.D. for the long haul. They also have a medium weight that hits the sweet spot in terms of comfort and cushioning. Number 3. Smartwool Ph.D. Ski Medium Alpenglow Pattern. The Smartwool Ph.D. Medium is my top choice for the best snowboard socks. These are a great all-around option that will deliver quality comfort and excellent cold weather performance. Any rider will appreciate what these socks have to offer. The Ph.D. features a special blend of merino wool and nylon that gives you a lot of warmth while also being breathable. They are made of over 60% merino, giving you excellent insulating properties without being too bulky. The blend of materials is engineered for durability and is known as indestructible technology. Number 4. Burton Men's AK Endurance Ski Snowboard Sock. If you struggle with sweaty feet, you need socks that will help you out. The Burton AK Endurance is the best option for sweaty feet, thanks to an innovative construction that can wick away moisture in a hurry. These feature a mostly synthetic blend of materials with only minimal use of merino wool. While usually I would second guess that, Burton did an excellent job of coming up with a highly effective blend. They will dry out super quickly even if you sweat a lot, which helps your feet stay dry at all times. The material is also very breathable, which helps funnel sweat away where it can dry off away from your skin. Number 5. Darn Tough RFLC OTC Ultra Lightweight Sock. If you want a lightweight and super thin sock, check out the Darn Tough RFLC OTC Ultra Lightweight. These socks are light enough to be used in all seasons, but they will give you the warmth you need while riding. This is another option that utilizes a merino wool blend to give you superior comfort and performance. Featuring 51% merino, the RFLC gives you enough insulation to keep your toes warm while also providing moisture-wicking properties. They are also super durable thanks to the synthetic blend of nylon and spandex used in the weave.
Thanks for watching the video.